The second vaccination drive begins tomorrow on Monday, and many are wondering if they are eligible for the shot in this phase that kicks off. Many still don't know what they have to do to get the vaccine jab, and we break down all of that. Sneha Murdani answers all your queries in this report.
If you are above the age of 60 or between the age of 45 and 59, you are eligible to get a shot against COVID-19. You either choose a government vaccination site or pay a nominal amount at a private hospital. Here is what you can do. Use your smartphone to download the Arogya Setu app. Soon you will find a new tab on this app, which will be the vaccination tab. You can provide your mobile number and fill in some minimal details like name, age and gender. 4 appointments can be made on one mobile phone. If you are using the website route, you still have to have a smartphone. Go to the website of the CoWIN software or cowin.gov.in. Enter the mobile number or Aadhaar number. You will receive an OTP with which your account will be created. Fix an appointment, get details at the vaccination center, visit the vaccination center on the scheduled date and time and get the jab. Those above the age of 45 will have to provide a medical certificate mentioning their comorbid condition at the vaccination center. This will be given by a registered medical practitioner. The government says given the magnitude of the exercise, they're trying to iron out all the problems.
For a couple of days, there were glitches which have been removed since then. And since then, there have been no glitches at all. Now, people who are complaining of the glitches are unfortunately those people or those entities where these are data-related problems.
The effort clearly this time around is to facilitate as many vaccinations as possible and make things extremely simple. And it is for this very reason that walk-in vaccinations have been allowed, something that was not allowed in the first phase of vaccinations. In New Delhi, Sneha Murdani for India Today.
And let me give you all the details you need to know about the CoWIN app. This app is GPS enabled, so it will be able to identify the location also of a beneficiary. This registration for vaccination will be possible from anywhere in the country. You don't need to be in one particular city. It's a pan-India drive. Besides that, what we're also seeing with regards to this app is that beneficiaries can pick then their nearest vaccination site. Because it's GPS enabled, it will give you a list of vaccination centers. You can then choose what's most convenient for you or a place of your choice. Beneficiaries also can choose the date of vaccination. There will be slots and dates that are available on the app once you register, and the beneficiary can choose whichever again is most convenient. Age also can be updated on the app. There are specifics that can be given in the app about your details, about the beneficiary's details. Your age also can be put up there. The authorities also use the app to go ahead and ensure smooth rollout of the vaccine for people. So they'll cross-check all the beneficiaries' details and claims, whether it's about comorbidities, age, etc. So that check will also be done on the CoWIN app.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.